Hi, in this video, we are going to talk about the 1xBet promo code bonus. So it will be very simple to do. First, you will come and click on registration. Then by clicking on registration, you are going to click on the option by email. By clicking on this option by email, you are simply going to put your information as your surname, your country, your region, your date of birth, the currency also, which will be associated with the country, the email, the phone number, the password, and now the promo code. The promo code will be BOTV. You will use this promo code now, BOTV, to have 300% of bonus at your first deposit. So if you put an amount of $10, for example, you will obtain $30. Then by doing so now, you will now be validating the terms and conditions and privacy policy. So by using this promo code, it will help you to get bonus. So when you will click on register, it will help you now to put the amount of money, which will be a very good considerable amount of money, which is obligatory, by putting down that amount of money so as to get a bonus, and now validate the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and now click on register, and it is as simple as that.